on the ground. Sit on the ground or you're going to get tased.
Hands out. Put your hands, or you're going to get maced.
You get maced?
Put your hands behind your back or you're going to get maced.
What do you want?
All right.
Put your hands behind your back.
On April 9th, 2023, officers responded to a battery call at a licensed food and beverage establishment. A patron had already struck 2 bar employees over an unpaid $66 alcohol tab before police arrived on scene.
Obviously it didn't hurt.
Yo, he just assaulted 2 of us right here.
That's my name.
We just talked to you down here for a second. What's going on? These guys piss you off?
Huh?
What's going on with these guys out here?
No, they tried to make me pay more money than I owe.
Damn, what they say, you didn't pay your tab or something? Or?
No, I paid my tab. Go in there and look.
No.
How do they know my name?
Sir, I'm just, they called me over here. That's why I'm here, okay? Obviously, there's a rift between you guys, whatever.
Yeah,
I'm just here to keep the peace, all right?
Yeah.
I'm here to keep peace. I want to make sure nothing's going to happen. No one's going to fight.
You shut up.
Hey,
I'll beat your
hey.
Shut your mouth.
I work here, dude.
I will beat your I will beat your
Pointed me again.
What do you mean? I pointed you.
Calm down.
Nah, you get out of the way.
Calm down.
Let
dude.
us do this.
Down.
Puss.
Listen to me. You're going to end up in jail. Stop.
What are you going what?
You want to go to jail?
No.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back, bud.
I don't want to go to jail.
All right, then chill out. Because I ain't playing games.
All right.
I ain't playing games with you. All right, you need to chill the out. You have your ID on you?
No.
You don't have anything? What's your name?
I ain't giving it to you.
You want to go to jail?
I'm not giving you my name.
I'm telling you right now, you better stop.
Get off my shirt.
Chill out.
Get off my shirt.
Chill out. Put your hands behind your
All
back.
right, I will chill. I will chill.
Chill out.
I will chill.
Put your hands behind your
I
back.
will chill.
Sir,
I'm not going to put my hands behind my back.
you're going to put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Ask me my name.
All right.
I'll give you what you want.
You're going to chill the
Give
out,
you
right?
what you want. Yes.
You chill the out.
Yes.
You're not going to play around no more, are you? Are you going to play around? You're going to ruin your Sunday. You need to chill out.
Listen.
No, you listen. You listen to me.
I haven't been playing around.
Huh?
I don't consider this playing around.
I do. I think it's stupid, childish.
I think it's stupid too.
All right, then calm down.
All right.
Calm the
All
down.
right, let go of me.
No, you're going to put your hands behind your back. Is what you're going to do.
No, I'm going to put them down.
Put them behind your back.
No, I'm going to put them down. I'm not putting my hands behind my back.
You're going to end up in
I've
jail.
done nothing wrong.
You're going to end up in jail.
Dude, you're going to get drilled. Look, I've done nothing wrong.
You set up my 94.
I paid my tab and I left.
Huh?
I paid my tab and I left.
Sit on the ground. Sit on the
Sit.
Sit on the ground.
I was standing.
Sit on the ground now. Down on the ground.
Yeah, you ain't going to tell me what to do.
Sit on the ground.
I'll lean against this post.
You're going to sit on the ground.
I'm not going to sit
You're going to
down.
sit on the ground. What you're
You're
going to do?
stupid.
Sit on the ground.
Do you think I'm that dumb?
Sit on the ground.
Let go of me.
No, I'm not letting you go.
I'll drill you in the mouth.
Drill me in the mouth. See what happens to you. Get stupid.
I'm not trying to.
All right. Get stupid.
I'm trying to go home.
Sit on the ground.
I'm not going to sit on the ground.
All right.
I'll stand.
Sit on the ground. Sit down.
I'm not going to stand.
Sit the down.
Let go of me.
Sit down.
Let go of me.
Sit down. Tell
Let
you right
go
now.
of me.
Tell you right now to sit down.
Let go of me.
Sit down.
Let go of me. Let go of me.
You got 2 seconds to sit down. You got 2 seconds to sit on the ground.
Let go of me.
You got a taser? Yeah,
Dude,
taser ready.
dude, I'm not.
If you're gonna get the tased, don't sit down, you're gonna get tased. Sit on the ground. Sit on the ground, you're gonna get tased. Sit on the ground. Sit on the ground now. Sit on the ground now, you're gonna get tased.
Let's go. Sit.
Sit down. Sit down the ground.
Why?
Sit. Eric, come over here,
I'm
man.
good. I'm good. I'm not going to.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Shut
Get
up.
on the ground, dude. Get on the ground. Stay down there. Put your hands out. Put your hands out.
Put your hands, or you're going to get maced.
Want to get maced?
Put your hands behind your back or you're going to get maced.
What do you want?
All right. Okay, look out. Look at me. Look at me. That's it.
Put your hands
Now
behind your
put
back.
your hands behind your back. I told you you're going to get sprayed.
Put your hands behind your back. Don't have one with you.
I'm going to shoot you next.
What's your name now, brother?
Yeah, tough guy.
What's your name?
My name's Tough Guy.
Okay, you go to jail with John Doe. You sit there and wait.
Stupid idiot. You know.
10-4, up 14. There's no injury. 4, there's no injury to the 10-4, down 14.
Because of handcuffs. Tough guy.
Nah, you're stupid.
Tough guy.
You're not. You're stupid.
Tough guy. All that talk. All that talking. What'd you do?
All that bad you got.
Yeah. I thought you were gonna hit me.
Nah, I
Why
wasn't.
you hit me?
Nah,
What happened with the threat? You're
You're
gonna
a
hit
liar. You're a
me.
liar.
Okay. See this right here? This
You're
camera?
a f***ing liar.
See this camera right here?
You're a liar.
Yeah, we'll see.
I had no reason to. No, it ain't. You're
7-11, out 3, you had a 22 to the breeze out left 6 place taxi. You guys?
Let me sit up. Get the out of my.
That's where my family's from. Yeah.
He wouldn't keep his mouth shut.
Okay.
All right. So what happened?
So I approached him. I said, "Sir, you still have a tab open at the bar," and then he just went off the hand. He's like, "What mother?" Sir, I'm just saying that you have an unpaid tab, and then that's when he came, and then I was like, "Sir, you still don't have that tab," and then he approached us and swung on.
So again, I apologize for this, but
Is he the one you swung? He swung at you?
he swung at him first, got him first, actually hit him.
He rocked my.
He hit me over here.
Okay. Where'd this all happen at?
Right here?
Right here,
Right here. So it's because he didn't pay his bar tab. Is that?
Yeah, sir. So he paid one of the servers, and then he still had a live tap at the bar. So he's walking out, and then when my bartender's like, "Shane, can you go get him? He hasn't paid his bar tab." I said, "Okay, not a problem." I'm like, "Sir, you haven't paid a bar tab," and then he got completely belligerent, and then literally was coming after me. I was like, "Sir, I'm just saying that." He's like, "Wait, you call me a dog?" No, sir, I'm just saying that you haven't paid the bar tab, and then he came
Y'all took
just
all
to
my
assist
shit.
me, and then
Out of my pocket.
he showed up, and then he started.
Just like some fucking dread.
He swung at.
He sucker punched me hard, like rock myself fighter. He fucking rock myself and take me out. And that's about, and then that's when I went to go get you because he started getting physical.
What I do
And when did you get involved?
in handcuffs.
I got him.
What the f did I do?
After he punched him?
No, I was here when he got punched because I got punched too. After he punched him, he hit me.
Because you tried to intervene? Is that what it was?
Yes, I'm one of the managers here, so I'm just trying to make sure that everything is okay.
I want a sergeant.
So are you the server?
I want somebody in
No,
charge.
I'm a fighter, so I was here. No,
But he works here. He's
Yeah,
one
that's
of
how
the
it was. I was here in the back left because he was belligerent. So and we were, no one was touching him, nothing. He started putting his hands on us. And I said, "You go in like this," and he just went, hit me and then hit him. He was like, "Just nothing. No one's getting aggressive until he got aggressive."
So you just how did you become involved? How did you know? So you watched everything. So who's the original person that served him and came up? If you came up in the there and said you still have an open tab.
Yes.
Because he tried to walk out. You
Yes.
tried to stop him. You tried to.
That's all I said. And then he was like, "What are you trying to say to me?" I was like, "Sir, I'm just saying you have," and then he got aggressive, and he was just standing there, and then that's when he started walking off again. I'm like, "Sir, you still have a tab." Like, and then he just was wanting to fight somebody.
Now, do you want to prosecute him for punching you?
Yeah, I guess.
Do you want to prosecute him for punching you?
No.
No, we don't have no prosecution.
No.
All right. But you still wanted the report done.
I do want a report done. I definitely don't want this guy on this property.
The first one to approach him about the open bar tab?
My bartender, Yana, was just saying, "Hey, he didn't pay his tab." I said, "Okay, let me approach him." And then all of a sudden it became kind of hostile. I was like, "Sir, I'm just letting you know, your tab's still open. You still owe."
Yeah.
How much did he owe?
$66.
$66. Can I get a receipt of that?
Yeah.
Did he order food also?
I believe he ordered food from the server, and that tab was paid.
Okay.
So,
But the alcohol tab at
yeah,
the bar was.
I can go grab it.
All right. Get a receipt.
I know that one of the servers who was serving him did tell me that he had been starting to become a foul. Amanda said something. She was like, "That guy's being a little weird."
Did he hit anybody else?
No.
All right. Was there any other witnesses? Any other girls see anything or any?
I think you have a...
You saw him punch him?
He swung at our manager first, and then he tried to save him.
also, did you see him punch him? Yeah.
You saw him punch him?
Yeah. Literally right down here.
Yeah, what'd you see exactly?
He was cursing at all of us, saying he paid his tab. We're showing him that I'm a manager here too. I'm just done for the day.
So this is his tab.
We're showing him that you have this tab. You gave me this card. This is his card. It declines. The card you paid for at the table doesn't include what you ordered at the bar. And he's like, "Get off me! Don't come." He's screaming at everyone, and then he's there just standing with him saying, "You still have a $60 tab," and he just turns and punches him in the face for no reason.
He was like, "You have my card on file." It's like, "Okay, sir, but that tab's still open. This is not working, so I need another card."
He starts being combative. I go, "Shane, there's a cop car right there." So he starts walking towards you, and then I turn around and he's swinging at him out of nowhere.
So that's all.
All right, just give me. You guys gonna be here for a while?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
All right. I gotta go deal with him. I'll come back with your ID.
For what? Battery for what? I didn't punch you.
Come on, man. Get the car.
I can't see.
All right.
Where's my ID? Where's my stuff?
Watch your head, watch your head.
Sit back. Watch your head.
I can't see.
Sit
All right,
down.
duck down,
We're
duck
not gonna
down.
just sit on the ground full.
You're gonna take me to jail.
Yeah. Sit down.
For what?
You're going to jail. I just
He
told
just
you we're
told
going
you,
to jail.
disorderly conduct and battery. Duck your head in so you don't hit it on the
All
car.
right, loosen up the cuffs a little bit.
Sit down.
They're tight.
They're as loose as they get.
Get in the car, come on, let's go.
Derek, stop making it worse, please. Thanks. Careful, let me pick it.
Yeah.
Put your feet in. There you go.
Okay, is there any reason you were not listening to my deputies? Because they bum rushed me. Yeah. Listen, I'm gonna come on the other side so I can see you better, okay? I can't see nothing. What's his name? Derek? Dude did this to me. Right, they sprayed you. Go to the bar. I'm going to. I'm just checking on enough. Okay, I'm just checking on you right now, okay? Did they spray you? Was anything else done, or you complied after that? Yes. Okay. Look where I'm at. All right.
I didn't actually touch him. I never.
We have witnesses. Basically, to make sure everybody's okay. But another thing, you witnessed when they took him into custody.
Just now, yes.
Yeah. What was he doing?
As we were, you want me to just start from the start?
Yeah. So when the deputies came to detain him.
Yeah, he was resisting in the corner over there. They probably had more of a view because I went to go get your deputy that ran over here. They're in a scrum right now, and then your deputy came over and then kept resisting, and then
When he was resisting, what do you mean by that?
well, he kept kind of shaking off and then trying to almost attack.
Yes, the officer was trying to get him to calm down, just so he could whatever.
Was he verbally trying to get him calm?
Yeah, and then he also like just started calling us all. You guys are the N-word. We're like, what the heck? So he was very like just displacement. Yeah.
Okay. And then did you see when did they have him ever sit down?
They tried to make him sit down. He did not want to sit down by the looks of it.
Okay.
And then the other officer came, and then I saw a taser just to be like, hey, you need to sit down and you're under arrest, and he just wasn't having it.
So he was resistant. You saw him resisting.
Yeah. Oh, for sure. 100%.
They used OC spray.
I believe so, because that's what we kind of smelled. I didn't see it used.
No one
but
saw it sprayed.
Yeah, I didn't see it. But
Once whatever was used, he complied.
Yes.
Was there anything else done? Any punches or kicks or anything like that?
no, sir.
All right.
He was detained, and then that's when all the officers showed up.
Derek, listen. If you kick the door, you're gonna get pepper sprayed again. So stop kicking. Just comply. Stop. Be nice. You don't need to kick the door.
I paid my bill, nigga.
All right. Do not kick that car again, or you're gonna get sprayed again.
What are you gonna do? Shoot me?
No, you're gonna get sprayed again.
Let's examine the constitutional framework.
That prior battery is the legal foundation of everything that follows. Officers did not initiate this contact. They inherited probable cause. Under Florida statute section 784.0-3, battery occurs when a person intentionally touches or strikes another against their will. Multiple independent witnesses confirmed the subject struck 2 employees. That is probable cause for a custodial arrest established before the Officers spoke a single word to the subject. Under Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 318, the Supreme Court held that officers may arrest for misdemeanor offenses when probable cause exists, no exceptions for minor crimes. The subject refused to identify himself. In Florida, there is no standalone stop and identify statute. Refusal to provide ID during a Terry stop is not automatically criminal. However, once probable cause for battery was established, the subject was no longer being detained on suspicion, he was subject to lawful arrest. Refusal to identify at that stage carries no protective legal benefit. The subject's verbal threats to officers, "I will beat your ass," satisfy the elements of assault under Florida statute section 784.011. That statute requires an intentional threat coupled with apparent ability to carry it out. A verbal threat directed at an officer during a physical confrontation meets that threshold. Sustained physical resistance over several minutes, independently satisfied, Florida statute section 843.022, resisting an officer without violence. That statute does not require striking an officer. Pulling away, refusing ground commands, and preventing handcuffing are each sufficient. The offense was continuous and documented on camera. OC spray deployment is governed by the proportionality standard established in Graham versus Connor 490 U.S. 386. Force must be objectively reasonable judged from the officer's perspective. At the moment of decision, the Graham three-factor test asks severity of the crime at issue, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. All three factors supported escalation here. The severity factor, battery with multiple victims. The threat factor, verbal threats to officers during active physical contact. The resistance factor, documented and sustained for over 3 minutes. Critically, officers issued verbal warnings before displaying the taser and issued additional warnings before deploying OC spray. That sequence is legally significant. It demonstrates proportional escalation, not arbitrary force. 3 independent civilian witnesses confirmed the force sequence. None observed punches or kicks directed at the subject by officers. That civilian corroboration substantially insulates this arrest from civil liability. The theft charge under Florida statute section 812.014 is the most legally contested element of this case. Theft requires knowing and intentional deprivation. The subject's defense that he believed his bill was paid is legally cognizable. Prosecutors must prove intent beyond a reasonable doubt. The documentation produced by bar staff addresses that challenge directly. The primary arresting officer receives a B+. De-escalation was applied consistently before each force escalation. The taser was displayed before deployment. OC spray was worn before use. Post-arrest conduct was professional. No constitutional violations are identified. The minor deduction reflects brief, unprofessional language during the encounter, a lapse that, while understandable under stress, contradicts de-escalation training standards. The subject receives a D, battery against 2 civilians, verbal assault on officers, sustained resistance, and continued misconduct after arrest constitute a compounding pattern of self-inflicted legal harm. Every charge on his record traces directly to his own choices not to police misconduct. Bar management receives an A-. Staff acted within lawful authority, cooperated fully with investigators, and preserved evidentiary documentation. One employee's verbal threat introduced unnecessary legal complexity into the scene. 3 lessons emerge from this encounter. First, a billing dispute is a civil matter. Florida Small Claims Court handles claims under $8,000. Physical violence converts a civil dispute into a criminal record. Second, once probable cause for an arrest exists, resistance does not protect rights, it creates new charges. The legally sound response is compliance followed by a court challenge. Attorneys win those arguments. Parking lots do not. Third, verbal threats directed at law enforcement during a detention are not protected speech under these circumstances. They are independent criminal acts. Silence is always the stronger legal strategy. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.